Guys, we just made it to the parking spot. Little off-road trip today in the roller. All right, we're just walking on down there now. All right, first cast out. Just using a little lead-looking minnow. Got a little bit of bait on it. Hoping to get some landlocks for the smoker. Well, I got the narrows all to myself now, just me and Jamie. The fishing is still slow. I'm starting to wonder now if we came a bit too late in the second smelt run. It's gone now, but I'm gonna try on a different lure, see if that makes a difference. Not from here, but I do know on a Saturday to have the narrows all to myself on a nice day like this, that's crazy to me. I'm starting to think, like, I don't know if there's just no fish here anymore, or I don't know. It's got a smaller little minnow looking lure now. Blue one, I'll show you when I reel it in anyway. I'm dying to hook a nice landlock, guys. I'm after catching a lot of nice trout in my day, but I like to catch a nice landlock. Bait's already gone. Like this shelf, I'm on the very end. I've heard this is the best spot. I'm just fishing along this shelf here and slowly letting it drift with the current kind of thing. That's what I've usually seen everyone do here, and they'll catch away at them. Fish on. I didn't even know he's hooked yet. You know, it's a little baby wanganish. A baby. I didn't even know they were that small here. Well, that is the smallest landlocked salmon I've ever caught in my life. I don't know how I'm supposed to manage to hook them like that either, but hopefully it'll be okay. Always bleeding bad. I've heard they're tough though. See if he goes on. There he goes. Just slowly letting it drift. Giving it a couple little jerks. Oh, that's a nice one, guys. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Was that a trout? Yes, sir. Nice trout. I'll take that all day long. Beautiful brookie. Beautiful brookie. There you go. Beautiful wild Grand Lake brook trout. You'll be awesome in the frying pan. Awesome. I don't know if you guys can see, but the flies are fairly thick up here today. Holy cow. Fish on. Oh my God. That was a nice one, man. Another one. That's a nice fish. Boy, this is a nice fish. Nice trout. Another nice trout. Nope, nice little landlock. There we go. Yep. Not as big as the one I just lost. Perfect. Perfect. No, boys, you don't see that stuff every day, do you? 2 geese on the side of the road. Cool. Why did the goose cross the road? Alright guys, it's the next day. I have these fish just in the fridge. I'm gonna salt them there now. I like salting my my freshwater fish for a couple hours before I cook them. Just makes them a little bit salty. I'll just do both sides and the inside. It also makes it not curl as much, even though it's sitting in the fridge overnight. There shouldn't be a problem anyway, but there we go, yeah. It's a little salt. Perfect. Let them sit for a couple hours on a plate, and they'll be really good. I had to scale that little landlocked salmon. People say there's no scales on them, but there definitely is. And then those trout, I scored him too. So yeah, I'm gonna let them sit for a couple hours, like I said before. And around supper time, I'm gonna barbecue them, I think. In tin foil with a bit of barbecue sauce. Maybe stuff them with some onions or something. I just cooked up some stovetop dressing. That's what I'm gonna stuff the fish with. I'm gonna cut up an onion there now as well. Alright guys, I've just put the trout and salmon on the barbecue. I'm going to leave them for around probably 15 minutes. Flip them halfway on medium-high heat. I'm going to leave the cover down. Yeah, they shouldn't take too long at all. Right there's trout. Oh, they look so good. Stuffed trout. There we have it, folks. Some fresh trout caught from Grand Lake, Newfoundland, stuffed with some turkey dressing and some barbecue sauce. Got some nice fresh fries on the side. Can't beat it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.